My name is Saida Segovia Taylor, and I'm the Executive Director and Founder of Organic Oneness. Today we are at Kent College of Law for the Be the Healing Conference. This is our 5th annual year of doing the conference here in Chicago.
My name is Dr. Joy DeGruy. I am the President and CEO of Joy DeGruy Publications, and I am the Director of Be the Healing, which is a new private nonprofit. The purpose of this conference, and this one is really focused very heavily on reparations and healing. What does repair look like? Again, now that begs the question, you need to know what the injury is. So what we have to also recognize is this education not only is about what happened in the past, but helping us to understand how we change the trajectory so that we, one, stop the injury, and then we have to heal from those wounds, and we have to be careful and deliberate about not passing on those injuries that we have.
I'm alive, I'm a human. I desire for my children to be safe, for me to grow up and live in communities that feel like I can be exactly who I am, and my children are free to achieve and to succeed, and it smells like roses and lavender fields and secure food, and it feels like freedom. It's to me, these questions seem complicated, but to me it's just, we want to live in a world that doesn't feel painful all the time. That's reparations.
We need policies that are durable and long-lasting and contribute to improving the condition of our neighborhoods.
So I joined the Be the Healing Conference today because healing has been a core pillar for us in the Office of Equity and Racial Justice. We recognize that without centering healing, a reckoning of the past, really thinking about what is needed for our present and building something toward the future that is reparative, then we're not going to get to the equity transformation and outcomes that we want to see. And so the opportunity to connect with this conference, to share, to learn, to be fed, is important both to me individually, but certainly to the work that I do as in the Office of Equity and Racial Justice.
I feel that for our collective humanity, I believe in global healing, but you have to start with justice. You cannot have unity without justice. And so I think any effort that is beginning with justice, that is centering community, that is focused on the people who are the most marginalized and the most excluded from the decision-making tables, that whenever those people are centered, I want to be there.